Welcome to FairPlayTube Introduction. FairPlayTube is the next generation of video sharing portals. It is a 100% open source project hosted in Github and powered by Microsoft Blazor and in .NET 5 and Microsoft Azure. Remember, please subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and like the videos. So let's start with a quick introduction. As I was saying, this is a small this is a 100% open source project. It is still in its initial phase, but you will be able to see that there is a wiki with information of the project, and the wiki also have some requirements about the things that will need to be in the system, the basic rules for like the pages that are going to be in there. There are also some tasks already created, so if you would like to contribute, you can contribute it. Remember, you can start the project, you can fork it, right, and you can follow my account. Also, if you would like to sponsor, you can click the sponsor link and it will take you to the buy my coffee site, and you can support the project in here. We also have these discussions in the GitHub repository, and you can use them to let us know what you would like to contribute and comment with the ideas that you like to have in the project, right? Um, and of course there is the code. Now here is a small test or demo from what we have at the moment. We have the main page, which allows you to see all of the videos or the public videos that are in there, along with the duration after the videos have already been indexed, and the titles of the videos, right? You can click on them and it will run the video. Sorry, play the video. And you can of course turn this in full screen. You can turn this in full screen and you can activate the closed caption too, right? You can also go to the my video section when you are logged in, and of course you can play them too, but you can also see the video insights for these videos. This will also be implemented in the homepage, but at least the part for view them, but we haven't added yet. But once you click it in here in your own videos, you can actually see the video on the left side of the screen and the insights on your right side of the screen. You can see all of the insights, right? And you can see the topics, the keywords, the labels, right? If the video has people in here, you will see some of the people faces with a name. If they are not recognized, they will be shown with name of unknown, and you will be able to edit them actually. So you will be able to click on this edit, and you will be able to edit certain parts, certain things in here. For example, the keywords, you will be able to add more keywords and delete them. And if it had brands, you will be able to edit the brands too. You are able to go to the timeline and modify a lot of things in the timeline, right? For example, if you wanted to modify, let's say, the captioning, actually the transcription, actually this video does not have a transcript because it didn't have any voice in there, but you will be able to see here all of the captioning, and you will be able to edit it. And that's it. Remember, if you would like to contribute, visit the repository and let us know how you will be using it. Let's hope you can implement the next YouTube, DailyMotion, or tweets with the base of this project. Have a great day.